Hello everyone. I thought I'd give you a little update on my studio cleanup. This is a little picture of what my desk looked like. As you can see, it is an absolute mess. It was my intention to clean up this part of my desk and stuff under my desk. And this pile over here, that was my intention to clean up next when I first started this video. Some things happened, and I think most of you know that we decided to move my mother into assisted living and try to get her house on the market as quickly as possible so that she has the income from the house. Well, that created an absolute disaster in my entire house, including my studio. Um, Everything everywhere in my house got even worse before I even got to trying to clean up this mess. Um, I, I think that the desk got even piled even higher. It was just really awful. I know that my sewing table got piled. There was stuff piled all in this corner again. I had stuff everywhere. The living room and dining room were also trashed with stuff, just piled because we were getting everything out of the house as quickly as possible so that we could get it on the market. And it's taken me a couple of months to clean up and get back to this area where that whole area around my sewing table had boxes piled under it, and that was all on top of the table. So it's taken me a couple months to get to that point and get those things cleaned up so that I could actually get started again. And as you can see the top of my desk in places. Now, I still have stuff on my desk, but it's stuff I use all the time. And obviously, this spot over here did not get cleaned up. Now, there's a reason for that. And that tower hasn't gotten done. That'll have to be one of the next sections to do. And I have to move that stuff in front of my kiln so I get back to work. This pile I really like to get taken care of too. But I went and did my video desk instead. And it had gotten to be a real mess and had stuff everywhere, and it wasn't really working the way it needed to work. Plus, there was a lot of things from moms. And here, just a second, I'm going to point to them. They were things that she had for organization. That little roller drawer and that little drawer, and there's a 6 cube section thing there. All those things came from moms and had stuff in them, which I either got rid of or boxed up for the moment. And so I wanted to use them to organize things. And that video table wasn't as messy, but it needed organization. That cart needed cleaned up. Those two containers to the right are places that I used mom's things. And I actually have empty space still in those that I can add other things from the messy area over into there. So while I didn't get the original mess cleaned up, I did get a lot of organization in that area done. And of course, I still have a long ways to go. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a tour. You can actually see some more floor. Now go have fun and make some art. Bye-bye.